What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Shiba Inu here today. As you can see, there's actually an uptrend going on here with Shiba Inu, and we are pumping right now. But yeah, hit the like button, subscribe, because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help donate to the channel, definitely send a PayPal donation link in the description or the Cash App donation link, either one. And if you want these automated trading indicators on TradingView, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. So let's go over this now with Shiba Inu. So first things first, look over here. The 24-hour market control is controlled by the bears in the last 24 hours by 80%. So that doesn't matter right now because look at what we're doing. We're actually pumping here at Shiba Inu. So first things first, down here inside this green area is our supply and demand area. It's showing that we actually have lots of supply inside of Shiba Inu. Now this red area, or lots of demand, and this red area over here, this red area actually tells us that there's not as much demand in these areas, but as you can see, we are starting to pump up out of these areas. So we're actually doing some big movement here inside Shiba Inu. So the demand is going up. Now that is a huge rise in price action right there. So that is a lot of movement right there. So you just got to keep in mind that Shib right now, whenever you see movements like that, it's bound for a little bit of a retracement period. It happens all the time here. We got big stuff going on in Shiba. We got the Shiba Inu ATMs. Well, not the Shiba Inu ATMs, but they are the Coin Cloud ATMs, and they have Shiba Inu available, so you can buy and sell Shiba Inu, do all that good stuff. We got the Shiboshi NFTs that just now got released from Shiba Inu. We got a bunch of stuff going on here inside Shiba Inu, so definitely do not count Shiba Inu out. We got a new listing, CoinFlex. So yeah, new stuff is happening in Shib every single day of the week. But yeah, as you can see over here with the oscillator, you see we're probably about to start forming a little bit of an overbought area, like how back here it says OS. That means ROB, that means overbought. So we may actually hit an overbought area since we're having this huge price action. But this is actually really good for Shiba Inu because this is exactly what people wanted to see. If you go over here and look at it from the 1 minute chart, you'll see it from a better perspective here. And you can see the overbought area over here in the oscillator is definitely starting to form up. And you can see how quickly it actually pulls up here with the vital algo indicators. So yeah, we are hitting a strong uptrend here with Shiba Inu. Big stuff. I don't know how long it's going to go on for, but I know it's going on. So Shiba Inu definitely has got it going on right now. So let's go over here and look at the technical analysis for Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu could break out after whales buy millions of dollars worth of sheep. That's exactly what's happening now. You can see the whales are buying so much sheep right here. Now you can see there's a green area forming here. Right here, you can see right here with the vital algo indicators, there's a green area forming, showing that there's actually a lot of demand for Shiba Inu right here. So this is actually really good for Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is literally breaking out right before our eyes. So Ethereum whale spent $1.2 million on accumulating 49.9 billion Shib tokens. Shiba Inu token can now be purchased at 4,000 ATMs across the US and Brazil through CoinCloud. I just went over that. And Shib ranked in the top 10 trending coins in Asia for the first 2 weeks of October 2021. And with 637,366 mentions on crypto Twitter, Shib ranks second on social media dominance for the past week. So yeah, Shiba Inu accumulation by whales continues as the meme coin prepares to break out. The Dogecoin, is trending on social media, second to Bitcoin in popularity. So Shib is trending everywhere right now. Big stuff going on inside Shiba Inu right now. As you see, there's some really big movements going on here, really big bullish movements here with Shiba Inu. So we're doing very well. Now, analysts expect 100% gains in Shib as whales continue to accumulate. This will bring us to that 5 area, 0.00005. And that's going to bring us even closer to 1 cent here with Shiba Inu. That's exactly how Shib could reach 1 cent. Shib can definitely reach 1 cent. After seeing what's happening now and how Shiba Inu is rising in price action, Shib is going to reach 1 cent eventually. It may not be this year, it may not be next year, but eventually Shib will hit 1 cent. So Shib is really rising above the odds right now. So I definitely want everyone to know Shib has really big potential right now. And even looking over here, let's go over here and click the dark pools plus institutional interest. It shows us where the whales are really interested in buying and if they are even interested in buying. So right here, we got some good activity here with the whales, but we'll have high activity when we actually hit the 2,800 area, showing that there's high activity for whales up there. So there's actually big stuff going on in Shiba right now. So we can't just count it out because we've seen a little bit of a retracement period. Like, yeah, after we get pumps, we always go on a retracement period. It's bound to happen. But anyways, a large wallet investor identified as an Ethereum whale spent $1.2 million and bought 49.9 billion Shiba Inu tokens on Binance earlier today. Shib price plunged after a massive rally, and the meme coin whales accumulated the Shib throughout the dip. So yeah, the whales are accumulating the dip right now. The retail investors should be doing that, but the whales, they're taking over right now. So updates in Shib ecosystem include the naming feature of Shiboshi's 10,000 NFTs minted on ShibSwap and the ability to purchase the meme coin across CoinCloud ATMs. So over here, you can see CoinCloud is considered the world's largest network of two-way digital currency machines with 4,000 ATMs across the US and Brazil. Shout out to the Brazilian Shib Army out there. Shout out to the US Shib Army. Shout out to the whole global worldwide Shib Army. So the ATM network now supports Shib. This makes Shib more accessible to users and boost its utilities. So big stuff going on here with Shiba Inu. So Shib's popularity among traders on social media hit a peak with this massive rally. So the meme coin's social dominance is second to Bitcoin, and CoinGecko has listed Shib as one of the top 10 trending cryptocurrencies in Asia, October 1st through October 15th. So big stuff going on here with Shib, an actual Shiba Inu analysis. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and none of this is financial advice. But over here, you can see a Shiba Inu analysis, a crypto analysis, pretty much said that they expect Shib to increase by 100% and hit the next target of 0.00005, like I was saying earlier. So this person says that is really about to happen very soon. It is accumulating in the 2100 and the 3500 area. If it breaks resistance, the next target will be the 500s. So that's a lot. And look, we just now broke so much barriers here. Like we were at 26 before we actually even started this video. And now look at us. We're at 27.62. Shib is pumping. These supply and demand areas, the red areas, that shows low demand. But the second we hit this green area, the second the green started to show up right here, you can see the green right here. The second all these greens started to show up, Shib just starts to pump. And it's showing that we have high demand for Shiba Inu. Now look, remember, when we first started the video, bears were in control by 80%. Now they're only in control by 60%. You see how quickly the tables turn with Shiba Inu. Now, let's go over to the 1 minute chart over here. You'll see what I'm talking about here with the tables turning. Shiba Inu pumping here. You can see with the oscillator overbought. We're actually in an overbought area with Shib. So yes, we're probably going to have a little bit of a retracement period. You can see inside the 1 minute chart, it's starting to form a little bit of a downtrend. And look, the vital algo indicator is showing us that we have a chance of reversal. Remember, if you want vital algo, it's an automated trading indicator for trading view, and the link is in the description. But look, it tells us exactly when we're about to have a reversal. And right now, we're having a reversal inside Shiba Inu. So we did just now pump, but we're probably going to get a little bit of a reversal and go down on a little bit of a downtrend before we continue to rise here in price action with Shiba Inu. So definitely watch out for that. But big stuff is going on here with Shib. I mean, Shib is going crazy. So yeah, Shib analysis have evaluated Shib's price and has predicted Shiba Inu will resume the bull run as it trades on and trades higher and higher. So yeah, now we're at 2,806 with Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu is still pumping here. Big stuff going on here in Shiba Inu. But anyways, let's go ahead and move on to our next technical analysis and kind of compare it to what we just now looked at. So for this one over here, you can see for the day ahead, Shiba Inu would need to move back through the 25.7 pivot to bring the first major resistance of 26.6. And actually, we just passed that. We passed it with flying colors. Support from the broader market would be needed. However, the Shiba Inu to break back through the 26 levels. And we have the support from the broader market. Like when you go over here, you can see even Bitcoin's doing pretty well. We got Ethereum doing pretty well. Bitcoin at 61K, Ethereum 3,800. We got a lot of different cryptos doing very well here. So really big stuff for Shiba Inu as well because we have support for the broader market. So bearing an extended crypto rally, the first major resistance level in Saturday's high, 26.59, would likely cap the upside. We've already broke that. We broke the 26.59 area. We broke the 27.50 area. We broke all these areas here, all of them. So looking at the technical indicators, you can see the first major resistance broken. We broke all these areas. Shiba Inu is breaking out right now. Shiba Inu is going crazy. So yeah, shout out to the Shib Army for making this possible. Anyways, going over here, let's hit the refresh button so you can actually see this pump right here. This pump, it could not have happened at any better time. Like I didn't even know it was about to happen like that. But I seen it and I'm like, oh yep, Shib is pumping. So yeah, Shib's pumping back up. We're back on our bullish area, our bullish run here with Shiba Inu. big stuff going on here. The bulls are about to be in control 100% here. Anyways, 9.4% up in the last hour. We're about 8.2% up in the last 24 hours. We're about 1.2% up in the last 70 days. In the last 14 days, 241%, and so on. So yeah, Shiba Inu doing very well. I also want to show something that is actually pretty big here. Yesterday with Shiba Inu, we had 735,22 people inside of Shiba Inu yesterday. Today, 737,059 people. Hit that refresh button. Now we have 737,134. So a bunch of people just now put in money into Shiba Inu, most of them being whales. So the whales are literally pumping Shiba Inu right before our eyes. The vital algo indicator actually showed us with these dark pools plus interest here. Like you click the dark pools, the institutional interest, and you look at it, high activity expected in this area. Like I said previously, high activity. Second we hit that, we're going to start going crazy, continuing to go crazy. So Shiba Inu is still building up these whales. These whales are still building Shiba Inu and still bringing it all the way up to the moon. So shout out to the whales, shout out to the Shib whales, shout out to the whole Shib army for making this happen. I mean, this is really big right here. This is some really big rise in price action. Like no one could have predicted something like this, but I've been saying it every single day. Shib is about to go enter back into its bullish run. It's about to go enter back into a bull market. And look, Shib is going crazy. It's taking off. It's literally doing everything we predicted. So yeah, definitely continue to watch out for this. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. I'm not trying to tell any of you to dump all your money in Shib, but I'm just showing you what exactly is happening with Shib and what's going to continue to happen in the future. 1 cent is on the horizon for Shib. Just wait for it. Look at what we're doing. I mean, possibly by next year, we could be at 1 cent next year, being completely honest here. But yeah, remember, just hit the like button, subscribe, because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely with the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to do next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, go ahead and send a donation through the PayPal donation link, or just go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App donation link. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. So yeah, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.